Hello dear students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to discuss about highest common factor, that is HCF. In the previous class we learned about prime factorization method. Okay children, then here we discuss about highest common factor using three methods. To find HCF using three methods, that is factor method, that is common factor method, prime factorization method and division method. Finding HCF with the help of factor method. Consider the numbers 12, 18. Here I will take two numbers 12 and 18 and I will list the factors of all these numbers. That is, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. We already discussed about factors of numbers, right? These are the factors of 12 and 18. Okay. Now HCF means highest common factor. Here the common factors of 12 and 18 are 2, 3 and 6. There is no other common factor. Okay. All the common factors 2, 3, 6. The highest common factor is 6. Isn't it? Okay students. Out of these three common factors 2, 3 and 6, the highest common factor is 6 and circle here. So HCF of 12 and 18 is equal to 6. Okay. This method is finding HCF using common factor method or factor method. Next, I will discuss the prime factorization method of finding HCF. Here given the steps to find HCF by prime factorization method. Find the prime factors of each of the given numbers. Next, we identify the common prime factors of the given numbers. We then multiply the common factors. The product of these common factors is the HCF of the given numbers. That is, here there are three steps to find HCF by prime factorization. Next, I will discuss the prime factorization using the given numbers 12 and 18. That is, here I am taking that same example, that is 12 and 18. Here I have to calculate prime factors of these two numbers. Okay students, we know that what are the prime factors of 12? Using division method, we can find the prime factors of 12 as 2, 2, 3 and 18, 2, 3, 3. That is, prime factors of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 and 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. So, these are the prime factors of 12 and 18. Now, I will circle the common prime factors of these two numbers, that is 2 is common and 3 is also common. Therefore, we know that HCF is equal to product of these two common factors, that is HCF is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. It is same as we calculated with the factor method, right? Okay. Look at the next example. Find highest common factor or HCF of 18 and 24 by using prime factorization method. Here given the prime factorization of 18 and 24 and list out the prime factors here. 18 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 24 is equal to 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In the previous class we studied about prime factorization of numbers like this. Okay, then look at these prime factors. Here Common factors of 18 and 24 are 1 is common, 2 is common and 3 is also common. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 are common factors of 18 and 24. Therefore, highest common factor or HCF of 18 and 24 is equal to 2 into 3 into 1, that is 6. Product of the common factors, that is HCF is equal to 6. Here I am solving same problem using division method, that is third method is division method. Before that, here given the steps of HCF by long division method. Look at the steps. First one, we divide the bigger number by smaller one. That is first step is divide the bigger number by smaller one. Next, divide smaller number in step 1 with remainder obtained in step 1. And third, divide divisor of second step with remainder obtained in step 2. Last step is we will continue this process till we get remainder 0 and divisor obtained in end is the required HCF. Consider the example, the same example, the number 12 and 18. Find the HCF of 12 and 18 in division method. It is a very shortcut method. That is, here bigger number is 18 and smaller number is 12. Therefore, we divide 18 by 12. Then we get 1 is the quotient and 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 6 is the remainder. Then we write this number 12 here and divided by 6. Then we get 2 as the quotient and again 0 as the remainder. Therefore, here 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. Okay, students. Then one more example. Find the HCF of 112 and 144 by long division method. Using this method, we can find the HCF like this. Here larger number is 144. First divide 144 by 112. Then we get 1 as quotient and remainder as 32. Then divide 112. This number here, you write this number here 112 by remainder 32. Then we get 3 as quotient and 16 as remainder. Then now remainder is here 16. Then divide 32. This 32 is writing here and 32 divided by 16 we get 2 as quotient and 0 as remainder. Now the remainder is 0. Hence HCF of 112 and 144 is 16. 16 is the HCF. The next, a small topic of prime numbers. You know prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers whose factors are 1 and itself. Only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Then what are co-prime numbers? Here, two numbers that have only 1 as the common factor are known as co-prime number. All the prime are co-prime numbers. Look at the important sentence. All the prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Give an example. 35 is equal to 7 into 5 into 1 and 39 is equal to 3 into 13 into 1. That is factors of 35 and 39 are here. And look at these factors. What are the common factors? Here only 1 is the common factor. Therefore, since only 1 is the common factor, these two numbers 35 and 39 are co-prime numbers. Look at another example. Factors of 15 and 88 are given here. Look at this factor and find the common factors. Here only 1 is the common factor of these two numbers. 1 is the only common factor of 15 and 8. Therefore, 15 and 8 are co-prime. Look at here. Here is a sentence. All the prime are co-prime numbers. Here, all the prime are co-prime numbers. Here, 15 and 8 are co-prime numbers. But we know that 15 is not a prime, 8 is not a prime. Here, 15 and 8 are composite number. Then we can say that all co-primes are not prime, because here 15 and 8 are not prime. But all prime numbers are co-prime and all the co-primes are not prime. Find the HCF of the given numbers 40, 80 and 60 using factorization method. Here look at the factors given here. First find the given number into division, write division method and find factors of prime factors of these given numbers. Therefore we get 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 and 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Look at these prime factors and find the common factors of these three numbers. Here we know that here circle the common factors. 2 is common and again 2 is common and 5 is also common. Therefore common prime factors are 2, 2, 5. Therefore HCF of 40, 80, 60 is equal to product of these common prime factors 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20. Find the HCF of the following sets of number. Here given so many examples, so many questions are here. Therefore you can find the HCF using any of these methods. And here check whether the numbers 19, 29, 37 are co-prime numbers. You know that 19 is prime number, 29 is also prime number and 37 is also prime number. Therefore, we know that all prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Therefore, here even numbers are co-prime numbers. Thank you.